use it.
Yes, sir.
They can add additionally.
Absolutely.
Additionally, they will get some more money.
Correct,
Yes.
sir. But I've just followed the PM Surya Ghar. Correct. sir.
Yeah, I can
2.2.
understand. 2.2 are done.
Yes, sir.
Even they want to go 3, they can go.
Absolutely, sir.
3, 4.
Yes, sir.
Then surplus they can
Export to the grid, sir.
export to grid and then they can earn money.
Correct, sir.
So, small request, sir. Small request, sir.
4 days మనం పేమెంట్ పెట్టాం 47 యూనిట్స్ వచ్చింది సార్
ఎక్కడ
47 యూనిట్స్ గ్రిడ్కి సప్లై అయింది సార్ ఫ్రమ్ ద 30th ఆఫ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ టు 10 వరకు సార్
How many days?
4 days సార్
4 days every day. How much?
12 యూనిట్స్ సార్ యావరేజ్
12 units.
That's
That
much
means
higher.
30 into 12.
360 సార్
360.
ఒక్కొక్క రోజు
What?
300 వరకు వస్తుంది సార్
300.
యావరేజ్
So, this is the picture of the what you call dashboard, sir. So every system can actually be monitored.
This is where collector has to do. District లో different area లో what is the productivity? Take a measure.
Okay, sir.
Ask Shivshankar to do that exercise.
Yes.
అంటే ఎక్కడ హైయెస్ట్ ప్రొడక్షన్ వస్తుంది ప్రొడక్టివిటీ will measure.
So, small request. We have been associated with you for SM Energy right from Nadi Moru till now, sir. So, we have been doing all the projects for you, sir. We are not considered for the right now for the 93 megawatt. If I can get at least 5 megawatts to 10 megawatts as a part to continue to work for you, sir.
వాళ్ళు ఏమైనా ఇవ్వగలుగుతారు ఒక 5 ఏళ్ళకు యూ టాక్ టు దెమ్ కిచెన్ గార్డెన్ చూశాను
yesterday sir వాళ్ళు ఫార్మ్ yesterday టర్మరిక్ కంపెనీ కూడా పెడుతున్నారు సార్ సేమ్ పర్సన్
Same thing. So this kitchen garden concept, why we are integrating? We are already integrating in Bangalore, sir. We have already crossed over 400-500 houses in Bangalore every month. So the concept is very simple. No waste, wet waste of the house should be eliminated. Sorry, sir. So okay. So majorly whatever vegetables, whatever it is there, we have chilies, tomatoes, brinjals, and another 2 concepts. These are regularly consumed, and in 100 square feet. One person can be sufficient. Food for one person can be sufficient throughout the year. So, for a family of 4, 400 to 500 square feet, it's much more than sufficient entirely. End of the day, it will be the barricade plants, your fruiting plants, which will grow maximally up to around 8 feet. Okay, and same thing, rainwater and everything will be through drip. So one bag maximum will be having around 150 ml of water.
The water will be there up to how much time?
That is around 200 liters or something. So that will be there up to 10 days, sir. 10 to 15 days. Yeah.
If for this kitchen garden.
Yes. Because one bag
Then
will.
that you have to fill up continuously. Even tap water
Yes,
also.
no, that is fine, sir. That is
Both
also-
alternatives you have to put it.
Drip. This drip is also automatic, sir. We were not able to put the timer, but it is already all timer based. It's sensor based. Basically, every day with one time for 2 minutes or 3 minutes.
Now you are a organizer of all these things.
Yes, sir. We run a company in the Bangalore also.
Bangalore
with
also.
a name called Biotech Mali.
Biotechnology.
సార్ ఇక్కడ ఫార్మ్ అమీనో టర్మరిక్ 7 acre ప్లాంట్ పెడుతున్నారు సార్ నిన్ననే భూమి శంకు
Yesterday,
స్థాపన
May 1st.
Now, why can't you work it out every home
Definitely, sir.
for domestic consumption first?
100%. We are working on the model for here, wherein we are also planning to give the employment for the local only. Basically, this works on subscription model. Not everyone will be able to do everything. So how we usually do, what the business model works is, we train around 100 people for 500 houses. Each person 5 houses. So they will have a subscription model, and every month they will be earning from their whatever getting the produce as well as servicing. So locally it will straight away it will be a circular economy.
You are able to produce a model now?
Yes.
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 Proof of concept
Yes,
is
proof
available?
of concept is that we are making business out of it. Last year we generated revenue of 1.2 CR. So with the same model.
No, you make it Kuppam as a constancy.
Okay.
All houses.
మున్సిపాలిటీ ఫస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేసింది
Municipality first you start.
Okay.
Even village afterwards you start.
Village it will not work, sir.
It won't work?
No, sir. Why? Because they have abundant
No,
land.
land is available. But what is the cost difference between the two?
That will be cheaper, sir, for them.
Cheaper.
Yeah.
Okay, you work it out.
Okay.
Urban you can work it out.
Yeah. Urban planning is around 5,000 to 10,000 houses per next year.
Yeah, you work it out, urban totally. Even after this, you be in touch with our Urban Development Authority.
Urban development.
municipal administration. All municipalities will take it up.
Definitely, sir. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. ఓకే అమ్మా జనరల్గా వద్దులేమ్మా నేను తిన్నాం రండి
అమ్మకి క్యాన్సర్కి ఎక్కువ ఖర్చు అవుతుంది
బిల్స్ మాట ఓకే నేను మాట్లాడతాను ఓకే అమ్మా థ్యాంక్ యూ
One tank in the kitchen garden, another one is coming with the filter, the low cost filter that we have. And water is coming and just going in the soak pits.
దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో
This is one for the regular use, and then so two things we have. Regular use, whatever regular use you want to do, you can store it. And if there will be more rainfall, then you can recharge the ground also. So the recharge pit has also been designed.
But ultimately, this pipe, how you are going to conceal with the
Concealing
with wall? Wall. No, it's at least wall. Outside.
wall.
No, I can understand. You have erected here. You cannot avoid that.
You can do sir.
Some innovation.
Yes sir, you can do that.
You have to design it, put it here. This also put it there.
Okay.
Then connect it. Both.
To save this space,
Not only save the space, but
aesthetic wise.
aesthetic. Every should be iconic. No, nobody should notice.
I understand that. Concealing in the wall, we will do that.
You work it out. టైం లేదు మీరు రావాలి వాడు టైం తక్కువ ఎలా దూరం వెళ్ళాలి చాలా రమ్మనండి